Welcome to our journey through the cosmos. Today we'll uncover the fascinating story of how Neptune, the distant blue giant, was discovered. This tale is filled with mystery, mathematics, and a bit of luck. I'm Saad Usman, and let's dive in. The story begins in the early 90th century when astronomers noticed something strange. Uranus, discovered in 1781, wasn't following its predicted path. It was as if an unseen force was tugging at it. Enter two brilliant mathematicians, Urbain Le Verrier from France and John Couch Adams from England. Independently, they hypothesized that another more distinct planet was influencing Uranus's orbit. Using complex calculations, they predicted where this mysterious planet should be. In September 1846, Le Verrier sent his predictions to John Gale at the Berlin Observatory. On the night of September 23rd, Gale and his assistant, Heinrich d'Arrest, pointed their telescope to the predicted location. And there it was, a new planet. Neptune had been found, just 1 degree off from Le Verrier's calculations. Neptune, named after the Roman god of sea, is the eighth planet from the Sun. It's known for a striking blue color caused by methane in its atmosphere, and its supersonic winds, the fastest in the solar system. The discovery of Neptune was a triumph of human intellect and international collaboration. It marked the first time a planet was discovered through mathematical prediction rather than direct observation. So the next time you gaze up at the night sky, remember Neptune's discovery, a testament to the power of human curiosity and the wonders waiting to be unveiled in our universe. If you enjoyed this cosmic adventure, don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more captivating stories from the universe. Thanks for watching.